Meet koala, an animal evolution didn't bother with. It took koalas about 25 million years of evolution to adapt to a eucalyptus diet. Koalas have chosen specific types of eucalyptus leaves as the basis of their diet. Why eucalyptus leaves? Not sure even koalas have the answer. To save as much energy as possible, a koala sleeps up to 20 hours a day. Almost all of the rest of the time is spent leisurely replenishing energy with eucalyptus. And so it turns out that after 25 million years of evolution, all you can do is eat and sleep. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Do you know any other animals that are worth attention? Then write in the comments.